Where was God before he created the universe? What was he doing? We can answer this question in an extremely simple example. An integrated circuit inside a computer asks another circuit, "I work on 3 volts. What about you?" The other circuit says, "My voltage is 2.8 volts. Then the two of them wonder, how about the engineer that designed us? How many volts does he run on? Isn't it ridiculous to ask how many volts humans run on? The reason is that the person who has made the computer system must be outside that system. He cannot be part of the rules of the system he designed. It is essential that he should be outside this computer system and have the capability to rule the system. Because man is bound by space and has to inhabit some space at any given moment, he has a hard time comprehending non-confinement to space. Therefore, although he believes in God's non-confinement to space, he still ascribes space to him in some cranny of the mind. We should produce some evidence concerning non-confinement to space so that this misunderstanding can be eliminated. As you know, God is without a beginning. That is, it was only him when there was nothing. God was the only being when there was no time or space. Then he created matter and things. God has no beginning, whereas matter was created later. Now we ask those who cannot comprehend God being non-confined to space. When God was, there was no matter or space. It was only him. Then where was he? So small is the place of man in the universal system. Having been created is a law in this universe where man lives. The laws of the universe we live in are binding for us and for other creation. We should acknowledge the fact that God, who established this system, is not bound by these laws. Asking such questions as, "Where was God before he created the universe?" or "What was he doing?" is much like the conversation between integrated circuits of a computer, and such questions are inherently meaningless. The designer of a system is not bound by the rules he established himself. In other words, time does not exist in God's kingdom, nor does space. Also, we should know that we cannot possibly know the true nature of God. We may try to put effort in understanding it, but we should remember that the boundaries of our understanding go only as far as those outlined by God.